I wanted to do a video on how to program the remote key fob on a 2017 Ford Fusion, and this will work primarily with any of the key fobs that do the push button starts. If you notice there, it said it was located on page 48. It actually wasn't in the owner's manual, it was on page 65. That's one of the things you will need to do, is do a little digging in your owner's manual on where to find these directions. Okay, let's get started. We need to get all of our keys assembled and in the vehicle. And we need to remove the top sliding piece. There's a button that you depress on the top of that to access that, and then the key will slide right out. Once we have that removed out of all of our keys, then we can start finding where the pocket's located. In the 2017 Fusion, it's down in the cup holder. Almost all of these pockets are located in the center consoles. Refer to your owner's manual, and that'll give you an idea of what that looks like. Okay, let's get started programming. This is for 3 keys. So first, push the start button and insert the key into the pocket. Now you have to wait 5 seconds. These are 1 Mississippi counts. Push the start stop button, and within 5 seconds you need to remove the key, and then you repeat the process. You push the start stop button again, and within 5 seconds make sure you have the next key in the pocket. Wait 5 seconds, and then you push the start stop button again. Remove the key, and now you're ready to put your unprogrammed key into the pocket. Okay, once you place your unprogrammed key into the pocket, you need to press and hold the start button down. Make sure you hold that down. The horn will chirp, the blinkers will flash, or the hazard lights will flash. Then you put your foot on the brake and start the vehicle, and you'll get this message: program successful. I want to thank you for watching. Again, this was for a 3-key program. You can do, I believe, up to 6 keys. You just want to make sure you repeat the process and end with holding the start button. Thank you.